Hi, and welcome to the first episode on how to make a really easy and cool website using the mostly free Web 2.0 tool Weebly. My name is Jared Gleim, one of the EVSC ICATS, and I'll be your guide as we begin building our website. Now we've already gone through, and as we set up when we went to Weebly, we picked our design. So I've pretty much set up on this theme. And we're going to start off here with configuring our logo. Now, when you title the website, it gives you just a general text logo here, but I'm going to choose a graphic. I'm going to hover my mouse over the area where the logo would be. I'm going to click logo, and it's going to pop up this screen. I can click to upload a file from my computer. I already have a logo all ready to go. I'm going to select it from my folder, click open. It will quickly upload, and now I have my logo, but you'll notice here that it is rather small. If I click edit, it will then allow me to resize the graphic and even move it if I so choose. But I think just by enlarging here is gonna do just fine. And when I'm finished resizing here, I can do some other things. I could crop it if I wanted to, rotate it, change the level of the opacity, making it a little bit more transparent if I wanted to. I could do some fading on one side. I can add some coloring effects or some edging. I'm going to just leave my logo the way it is. I've designed it the way I want. I'm going to come up here to the top and click Save. And now my logo is being saved to the site. There it is. Okay, next up, the graphic that Weebly has given me is great. However, I don't want my website to look like everybody else's Weebly website, so I'm going to change this graphic. And when I click Edit Image, up comes this window, but up here at the top left, I can go ahead and add my own image. And I'm going to click Upload. I've already got some header pics all ready to go here. And let's see, I like this picture. It's for my index page. It's going to go ahead and upload it for me. And when it comes in, the picture showing small, but I can resize it. It's by dragging out the corners. Even if you grab it by the sides, it'll still keep it in proportion. And I can click and hold it and position it where I like. When I've got it where I want, I click the OK button down here at the bottom, and it's now positioned where I want. I can come over here and add text, and I'm going to put text right there. I'm going to change this text to welcome. Click OK. So now I got my welcome text. Now up here at the top on saving, if you click the little drop menu here, I could save this image to where this is going to show up on every page, or I can have it just set up to be on just this page. And I'm going to choose to go ahead and save it just for this page because I want to have something different on every web page. So I'm going to go ahead and click only this page, and it's going to go ahead and save it. Okay. Now, down here at the bottom, my web page is still pretty empty. So I need to add some elements. And I'm going to go ahead and click on my Elements tab up here at the top. And I think for my web page here, I'm going to divide this into two sections. So I'm going to grab a two-column layout here from my Elements panel. I'm going to click and hold my mouse, drag it down here to the bottom. You'll notice that this orange line shows up that kind of gives you a guide as to where you're going to drop that element. I let go with my mouse button, and now I've got a two-column layout. Next, I'm going to, over here on this side, I'm going to grab a paragraph with title. This allows me to have a title text here and also some smaller paragraph text. And I've already have some text I want to go ahead and have. So I'm going to type in my welcome. And I've got some paragraph text I'm going to insert. There we go. And I just click off to the side, and the page updates. Next, I want to go ahead and insert a YouTube video underneath this text. So I'm going to click on the multimedia button over here on the left, up here at the top. And down here on the far right side is YouTube video. I'm going to go ahead and click and hold and drag that element down here to the bottom. Now, as you notice, I'm holding it down here. This will put it outside my 2-column layout. I actually want it right beneath this paragraph text in this left-hand column. I'm going to drop it, let go. It gives me a video already from YouTube. Looks like from the show Lost. I'm going to go ahead and click that title. Notice right here it gives me a spot to type in a URL for a YouTube video. I've already got a YouTube video in mind. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the link for it. It's actually the Welcome to Weebly video made by Weebly. I can adjust the size if I wanted to have it extra large, or if I wanted to shrink it down to medium. I can make those adjustments. Also alignment. If I hit advanced, you can also adjust your margin, how much space is above the top and also the bottom. And of course there's the YouTube video ID. Generally you want to leave that alone. So that's columns done. Okay, now for the second column, we're going to drag a paragraph with picture element down here into the second column. And I'm going to add a title there. I'm also going to, I've got some text already lined up, so I'm going to copy that from my word processor and paste that in. Now I want to change the default graphic here by clicking. It's going to prompt me to upload my file. I go to my Windows Explorer and find the graphic. Okay, picture is now in my website. However, I do not like where it's positioned. I want to have it on the right side instead of the left. So if I just click the graphic, this comes up here at the top. Some more options up here. I want to position that on the right. Now it's moved it. I can also add a caption. I'm going to add, ignore the picture icon in the middle. Add that in there and click save. Next I'm going to stress some text. So I'm going to highlight this text here. I'm going to italicize it, but I also want to add some colors. I'm going to make it red. And I'm also going to do the same thing to the word save down here. Italicize, red. That way that stands out for folks. Okay, next I want to just add a picture. So just to add a picture in general, just grab the picture element. I'm going to drag it down. Click here to upload. I'm going to upload the 30-day challenge graphic. There it is. I'm also going to add a caption. And click in the box. The EVSC ICATS 30-day Web 2.0 challenge. I'm putting parentheses added caption. This concludes this tutorial on creating the main index page of a Weebly website. In our next episode, we're going to take a quick look at how to add a blog page to the Weebly. Be sure to visit the ICATS for great technology resources and tips by visiting EVSCICATS.com and also EVSC ICATS on YouTube. Thanks for watching.